I'm gonna show you my new Pokemon card. And igagawin ko to. This is my Pokemon card now. Looks like. I'm gonna put. And this is. I think this is a monkey. This is Kung Fu Panda. This is Charmander. This is the Seeing Dragon. This is the Devil Dragon. This is Pikachu. This is Squirrel. This is Raining Dragon. This is Mighty Dragon. And this is Picture Dragon. And this is Blue Charizard. And that's my new Pokemon card. You must like and subscribe. And let's count my Pokemon cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I have 10 Pokemon cards. And bye-bye. And bye-bye guys. Bye-bye. And like and subscribe so I can hit 1K subscribers and 100 videos. And I also have, we are counting subscribers, so please subscribe. And please subscribe to my channel so I can have 100 videos. And bye bye guys, bye bye.